di kidaya kiniskisan. Pintas mo ilong ka na nadadail kay kapusturan. Pinasileng mo pinatiran, kukutaram ramay mo. Pinapuntaam na lampasi, kukuday tadapan mo. Maibagay unay tanakipet, unay ababul dress mo. Tamuwag sa laka, at kuy-kuyeg-yeg tamarupong mo. Pinapintaam na labasin, kukuday tadapan mo. Maibagay unay tanakipet, unay ababul dress mo. Tanuwag sa laka, at kuy-kuyeg-yeg kay tapatong mo. Pinasileng mo, pinatiran, kukutarang ramay mo. Pinapintaam na labasin, kukuday tadapan mo. Maibagay unay tanakipet, unay ababul dress mo. Tanuwag sa laka, at kuy-kuyeg-yeg kay tapatong mo. Tanuwag sa laka, at kuy-kuyeg-yeg kay tapatong mo.
Thank you so much. Our Sangguniang Barangay member, Adonis Rostico Madriaga. And po, may ipagpakaam mo, dahil attendance tayong roll out di tawar, patid to'y uneg. Ti expect me tayong attendees, umabot lang ti around 1,000. Pero, kas makita po, mapansa mo nga 22,000 ti attendees tayon po. So, haang kayong madanagan po na panda nag-print out ti pag-attendancean tayo. Tap nun, mairaman mo't lang di raffle draw. Dahil tanagan nyo. Basta't sigurado nyo nga present kayo nung maitawag ta numero yo. Okay, hanggang mabaybayagan na po ti mga idaulo ti sumano nga piyesa awan sa bali ni Sangguniang Barangay member Frederick Wamil Balse. Again, Maestro, to be followed by the public. As we go on to our program, I neglected to acknowledge earlier our Sangguniang Bayan member, the Honorable Carmen Sita Sadora. Hello ma'am, naimbag nga rabi. Akin nakaisisam na tamat ni Ma'am Aya. So, ato nga isi mo ma'am, si Kamet yung mangi daulo ti sumarano nga pyesa. Once again, the next piece is to be led to us by our Sangguniang Bayan member, the Honorable Carmen Sita Sadora. Balsek, kanumanen, ma'am and sir. Suruten apo iti publiko. Kaslang haang nga maibos ti energy digiti ka barangayan tayo ta makita habang nga bumaybayag rumabrabormut ti tao ta dance floor tayo. So once again, I would like to remind everyone nga adda apo iti naiwaras nga attendance sheet tayo. No makita yo nga aglikaw-likaw digiti SK tayo, i-approach lang isuda tay saya atin tayo nga kasarita anak ko or adding ko ag-attendance sa kamantap no mairama nakati raffle draw tayo. So I know everybody ket adapay lang haampay nga jay peak the excitement tayo. Unti-unti po tayong umaakyat po doon. Okay? Sa ating mga senior citizen po dyan, Amo ka nakaturog tayo ti 12 hours di kalman. So nga adu ti energy tayo na tayo. So nga 12 hours tayo mo't itatang arabi. Kaya't juba tayo jay apo nga senior citizen tayo. 12 hours tayo. Libre mo di pagturugan tayo ito. Ag-overnight to kan di bye-bye. Hindi ito amin nag-overnight di bye-bye. Okay, kidding aside po, dati sumaran nga pyesa, idauluan ka na tayo awan sa bali, the Honorable Provincial Board Member here in District 2, the Honorable Jonathan Toralba Chacha. Mamen sir, suruten manenti publiko. Chacha, mamen sir.
Let me love you, Carmelita. Let me kiss and hold you tight. Must have beg for some affection from your direction, night after night. Let me love you, Carmelita. You don't know what I go through. It's no fun the way I'm thirsty. My heart is bursting with love for you. Did your mother ever tell you that it isn't right to kiss? I'm a man and you're a woman. It's only human to want us to squeeze. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and tell. I will bet my bottom peso and your own say so. We'll kiss again. Did your mother ever tell you that it isn't right to kiss? I'm a man and you're a woman. It's only human to want us to squeeze. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and tell. I will bet my bottom peso on your own say so. We'll kiss again. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and then I will bet you, Carmelita, I won't have to beg again. Let me love you, Carmelita.
Akas lang malala da jay katawada na po. Tamaragsakan da no chacha jay salsalaan da. Again, malapit na po tayong magumpisa sa ating formal na program. But before that, may saman pa nga pyesa po nga idauluan ka tayo awan sa bali. The Honorable Sangguniang Bayan Member Alfonso Diaz Sweet. Sa bali mamot. Sweet, another genre of music, mamen sir. Sweet, Mestro, suruten, ti publiko.
Feel your breath on my shoulder, and I know we couldn't get any closer. I don't wanna end time, I just needs in your eyes. Oh, I wanna take forever tonight. Touch my lips, ooh, I'm on fire. You're the only one I ever desire. Turn the lights down low, make the world go slow. When I'm holding you tonight, it's so easy.
Nothing moves me like you do when you tease me. And to watch me be you cry. I just wanna spend some time with you, baby. Oh, oh.
Wanna take forever tonight. Wanna stay this moment forever. I'm gonna give you all the love that I got. Wanna take forever tonight. Fill you up, give you all my love tonight. Pull me closer to all I need is in your eyes. Oh, I wanna take forever. When I'm here beside you, wanna see what drives you out of your mind. Oh, baby.
I never wanna leave. I only wanna be with you. Yes, I love how you feel. Your love is so real. Oh, you know
I wanna take forever tonight. Wanna stay in this moment forever. I'm gonna give you all the love that I got. Wanna take forever tonight. Wanna stay in this moment forever. I'm gonna give you all the love that I got. 'Cause I can't live without you.
Thank you very much, the Honorable Alfonso Diaz. Okay, digiti apong kasangsangpet na pailaang apo dito yung venue tayo. No naka-attendance kayon, okay no kan, naka-attendance kayo no kan. Yung no di kayo pa naka-attendance, haang panganiraman dyan nagan nyo di jay, apo, jay pagbunutan. So, just make sure apo naka-attendance kayon. No mabunot dyan nagan nyo, dapat present kayo lang. Ma'am Gail, pakisura man nagan ko, baka mabunot takta, electric pandamdama. Okay, let's proceed to our dances. This next piece is to be led to us by our Sangguniang Barangay member, Kagawad Lily Joy Labasan, Balse, Maestro Suruten Apo iti publiko.
Bunga tayo na tukin rika. Awalay
Okay, thank you very much, Kagawad Lily Joy. So, dahil attendance tayo kakabsat, we will be having the cut-off by 9:30. Kasi we will now, in a few moments, we will start our program for tonight. But before we formally start our coronation program, let us still enjoy the moment of dancing. So before we have our formal program, may we have a next piece to be led to us by our very own Punong Barangay Benny Madriaga, Balse Mestro, to be followed by the public.
very much, Honorable Punong Barangay Benny Madriaga. I know how excited everyone is nga agsasalapay kada ito'y dance floor itata. And I know that everyone is also excited nga makaawat iti premyo. So ditay bayagenen, bumunot nga ruden ni Sir Dan Langgaman. Iti sangapulo nga mangabak, iti sag for 500 pesos. So may we request Sir Dan to please do the draw lots.